Krotos Studio is full of versatile sound effects presets that you can explore and use in your projects. And today, we're going to show you just how versatile using the Ambiences category. Here we have the City Ambience preset, and you can see that there are 2 XY pads available with 2 sounds on each pad. But each of these sounds are fully detailed recordings themselves. You can have a simple city skyline, you can just have traffic sounds. If you only need sirens, you can have those. Or if you only need a car horn sound effect, it's right there ready to go. Simply position the dots on the XY pad accordingly, then drag the file out of Krotos Studio onto your timeline. You can combine 2 sounds on the same XY pad, such as with skyline and traffic, or you can combine 2 XY pads together, such as with traffic and horns for traffic jams. But of course, we aren't just limited to 2 quadrants either. Let's use a blend of skyline and traffic in the left XY pad with the sirens from the right XY pad. This gives us a combination of 3 ambience layers working together for a busy city scene with police cars driving by. Once the police cars have passed by, we can remove the sirens layer and return to our busy traffic soundscape. Now let's include all 4 quadrants and find a suitable mix between them. Position the dot closer to skyline for a steady city soundscape, or move closer to traffic for sounds at street level. Next, we follow the same process for the sirens and horns together. Now we are using all 4 quadrants for the most detailed city ambience. The closer you position the dot to a particular quadrant, the more present that ambience layer will be. To use all 4 quadrants at maximum volume, move the dots in the XY pads up to the top right-hand corner for a loud and dense soundscape. Some presets have 4 sounds on an XY pad instead of 2. You can blend these by moving from the corners of the XY pad to the sides. Then you can combine 3 and 4 layers by moving the dot closer to the center. You can then, of course, bring in the sound effects from the right XY pad. This gives you over 50 soundscape combinations from a single preset. There's nothing preventing you from combining presets either. Simply drag the sound effects from one preset onto a track in your editing software, then select another preset and drag that one in. You could combine forest and marshland for a dense nature soundscape. You could combine the city preset with elements from the suburbs preset for more town-like ambiences. Or you could combine the countryside preset with elements from the suburbs presets for villages. With Krotos Studio and a little bit of imagination, combinations of ambiences are truly endless. Hopefully you've seen just how versatile and powerful Krotos Studio can be. It's perfect for simple background sounds to enormous, rich and detailed soundscapes. Sign up for free today and get started creating Hollywood sound in seconds.